Alright, doing the guide for the Tellmewhen Addon. It's an add-on that tracks pretty much anything for your character. Cooldowns, buffs, CDs, trinkets, whatever. And so you set up for a tank mainly to track mitigation abilities. So we're going to set up on the Demon Hunter to track the Demon Spikes. Just going to show you how it works. When you first install it, it's going to pop up here in the center. I just drag that off to the side because I don't use it. Down. Now when you set up your first buff to track, keep in mind that if you change this, because it starts out with 4 cells, if you reduce it to 3, 2, or even 1 cell, it will remove cells from the right side to left. So if you put all your stuff to track in these far cells, as you remove them, you got to redo them all again. So start out by doing in the cell here, right click on it, it's going to pull up your option. It's going to ask you what type that you want to track. We're going to do a buff, but you can see there's many things you can track, even totems and such. But we're going to, for the tank, buff, only cast by me, hide of no units. Once you do that, you can change this to either track a target. If you're tracking something that you put on a target, like Thunderclap or something like that, you want to make sure it's always active on a warrior. For player, with that, come up here, you can start typing in demon or demon spike. Sorry, I'm push talk. You cannot talk or type while pushing the push talk button. And it'll pull up a list over here of the buffs. You can select the one right there. That's the one we're after. Or you can actually just type in the ID code manually, which I prefer to do. You can get that either use ELVUI by mousing over the buff while it's active on you. You'll see the ID code. Or just looking up in the net. I've actually used ELVUI, so I have the code already. And you click OK. And there you have it. You can resize it, move it where you want it, what have you. Now to add a second group, or bars, because this is the icons, you can actually have bars that will actually show you the cooldown timer, how much duration's on it, and such. So we're going to come up here. You can change that, or you can make a second group. New group, group, and bars. Now when you make the first bars, it's by default always makes the 4 across, which is kind of funky for bars. Just change your columns to 1, increase your that for however many things you want to track. You can resize it, stretch it out, whatever, reposition it, and we're basically going to put that same code there, and it'll be okay to create it. Icon type, me. Now you can also do notifications, which will let you know warnings, either timer, alerts, all kind of things. I like doing the sound. I want it to sound an alarm when the visibility, when the buff drops away. And we can use the old crap. Alright, we'll go test it out. Don't want to hit the tanking dummy. Alright. See, you can see it's tracking it now.
Aw, crap.
And then when it drops off. So that's the Tellmewhen Addon, how to set up your different bars and groups. You can even name them separate things, but that's the basics of it. setting it up for tanking. So you can track stuff like on the Warrior, your Shield Block, Ignore Pain. On the Paladin, Shield the Righteous. The Monk, you can track your Stagger. You can track your Iron Skin Brew. Demon Hunter, of course, your spikes. Pretty much anything that we track. On my rogues, I even track like some of my procs on my Outlaw Rogue and such. But hopefully you enjoyed the guide. Hopefully it helps you out a little bit. You can try the add-on out, see if you like it. But thank you for watching and enjoy.